My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Audi A4 S-Line Edition. This vehicle has done just over 63,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature. To the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, automatic headlights. We also have a keyless ignition. On the screen, we can access navigation, smartphone integration, radio, and media. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our climate control, as well as heated seats on either side. We also have 4 different driving modes to choose from: comfort, auto, dynamic, and individual. And as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.